Hello everyone! Before we start, please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. At CES 2026 in Las Vegas, Awol Vision, the manufacturers of ultra short throw projector, called the Aetherion Max. It's a 4-laser laser projector, stylized like a Cybertruck. Let's unbox it. Just like the Valerian Vision Master Max or any other high-end components, the projector is double boxed, or better yet, it's actually triple boxed. The projector casing is made of metal, looking extra luxurious and artistic at the very same time. And this is done so when the projector is not currently being used, it looks more like a sculpture than just a simple black box. And of course, as soon as I open the box, I see my friend instructions manual. Also the invitation to join them on social media on 5 different platforms. So here it is again, the instructions manual. It's kind of thick, followed by the cleaning cloth, embossed with Awol Vision logo. Pretty. Now let's lift the styrofoam out. And you can see the leather-bound projector case. Just like the Valerian Vision Master Max, this feels very luxurious. It's visually also very luxurious. Ta-da! The projector seems to be made of aluminum. Even if it is not, it sure looks like it. Just look at that. It looks kind of like a Cybertruck, but actually look nice. It has motorized lens cover, unlike pretty much all ultra short throw projectors out there. And here it is, what I presume to be ventilation vents. It looks so nice. What an attention to detail. It's gorgeous. Just look at that, now in greater detail. Even with all those holes, there's no flex, there's no play, it's very solid. Now let's go to the back of the projector and see the input-output sockets. The projector provides RS-232 connection, AV-in, USB-A, micro USB, and USB-C. 3 HDMI inputs with HDMI 2 as an HDMI-E ARC. An Ethernet connector if you don't want to use Wi-Fi, just like myself, and SPDIF optical out. At the bottom of the box, you can find HDMI cable, USB-C, and all kinds of cables, including, of course, the power supply. And let's not forget the remote control. Looks pretty much identical to the Valerian Vision Master Max with direct access button to YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney+. Because of the time limitation, I'm going to do the setup and recommended settings on a separate video. Now I would like to share with you my observations, review of this projector. First and foremost, especially for me, the pixel lock feature. On any DLP projectors, always have the color aberration, looks like smearing. In return, makes the projector look less sharp. Here it is on Hisense Laser TV, and here it is on Awol Aetherion Max. Mind you, the image you see has been magnified by 1600%. You may think that it doesn't matter, but it does matter a lot. Again, this is Hisense, and this is Awol Aetherion Max. Very impressive indeed, as you can hear the excitement in my voice. Next, rainbow effect. This projector pretty much don't have that at all. My eyes are very prone to rainbow effect, so this feature is a welcome to me. Can I still see it? Yes, but it's very minimal, almost indistinguishable. I could categorize it as nearly undetectable rainbow effect. And now, the black level. Using a Hisense Laser TV, it looks like this. Whereas on Awol Aetherion Max, it looks like this. Of course, not perfect compared to my JVC RS3200 at triple the price. But the observable black level is the best I've ever seen on an ultra short throw projector. That includes Sony ultra short throw projector, priced at 15,000 USD. Playing back the videos that I shot myself, the colors are quite vibrant. Not as accurate as I'd like it to be, but the ISF certification ensures that when you hire a certified calibrator as myself, there's enough control to get everything dialed in just right. Also, the clarity of this projector is impeccable, with the use of all glass elements shown on your screen, coupled with highly effective dynamic tone mapping. This projector produces the best picture quality compared to all UST projector available on the market at this point. At Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhance, and HDR10 Plus capability, and 3D capability as well, I extremely highly recommend this projector for literally everyone. Plus, with the ability to be watched during daytime with the 3000 lumens, I don't know why you're still sitting here. Go to the website, buy it, be happy. Purchase link is in the description down below. Also, in a couple of weeks, I'm gonna upload the video of setup and recommended settings. Let me know in the comments down below whether you're interested in that video or not. And for those who already watched this video, share your thoughts in the comments down below. Click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.
They shaved the dog's hair and just another what you got on today. Hey Google, tell me about my day.
It's 7:32 a.m. Right now in Peoria, it's 52 and cloudy. The storm's on the way.
Oh, great.
You have one reminder for today. Don't forget Grandma's birthday cake.
Oh, yep, we're on it. You guys see that robot cat on the skateboard? It's pretty cool. Hey Google, take me to the bakery.
Okay, starting navigation.
The traffic's appalling. You honk and you shout. The vein in your forehead starts popping out. Feels like you've been here forever, forever. Guess what, folks? We're not even halfway. Hey Google, send Jane my ETA.
Okay, message sent.
Thank you. There's a crack and a boom. Hey everybody, look, there's a camera. Smile, make it look like you're having the time of your life. Hey Google, pull up that email about the cake.
Here's what I found.
You found a place where only speak French, non-parler anglais, everything French. Ah, for Pete's sake, how you gonna ask? Hey Google, be my French interpreter.
Je viens récupérer les gâteaux pour mon
Merci, monsieur, monsieur, merci. You make the best cakes I ever did see. Merci, monsieur, monsieur, merci. You make the best cakes I ever did see. Now let's all hush. Lights off in the house. Crouch down, stay still, be as quiet as a mouse. Here she comes, our birthday girl. Are you ready to surprise her on the ride of her
Grandma's at the front door.
life? Hey Google, party mode.
Okay, turn on 6 lights.